Let's walk through the process of building a custom granite retaining wall for a home in Seattle. The project was simple in purpose, but big on impact, replacing a failing concrete block wall with something far more structurally sound, and a lot better looking. The goal was to separate the parking area from the front yard using natural stone that would last for decades and complement the property's existing features. Before we could start building, we had to clean up the mess left by the old wall. That meant removing block debris and prepping a solid base with compacted gravel. With access to the site being easier than usual, Diego brought in a mini excavator. This particular project had a bit more hidden debris than anticipated. You never know what you'll find until you start digging. But we successfully removed it all. All of the debris we find is taken off-site so that you, the homeowner, don't have to worry about it. We use 5/8 crushed gravel to create a base layer for all our rock wall installations. 4 inches was ideal for this particular project, which is then graded smooth and mechanically compacted. It provides us a solid foundation for the next few steps. Behind the wall, we installed a 4-inch perforated PVC drain pipe, wrapped in filter fabric and surrounded with 2 to 4-inch riprap. This system channels water away from the wall and daylights through the face, a crucial detail for long-term durability. Once the base was set, we laid the first course of stone with precision, ensuring a level and solid foundation. The homeowner wanted something natural, timeless, and tough, and we knew exactly where to start. Bandera granite boulders from Marenakos in Preston. We sourced 2-man boulders, which strike the perfect balance of size and workability. These stones not only look beautiful, but they'll hold back earth and weather throughout every season. As we built up each layer, Antonio led the charge, hand-selecting each rock and placing it like a puzzle piece. His eyes for detail and deep experience are what gives our walls their signature look. One of the special touches on this build was matching the new granite to existing boulders the homeowner loved to help blend the new wall into the landscape naturally. Always bring more boulders to the site than you think you need. It will give you the flexibility to find the perfect stone for every spot. We also left room for a 2-foot planting bed behind the wall, giving the homeowner space to add their own touch with greenery. Throughout the process, we checked alignment and slope. Rock faces give each wall its character. A clean, natural face creates texture, shadow, and flow. Turning a simple rock wall into a stunning landscape feature. In the end, we wet the gravel to minimize dust before using a plate compactor to tamp it down. We finished the project in about a week, start to finish. The final result? A clean, durable, beautifully integrated retaining wall that complements the existing staircase and elevates the entire front yard. The homeowners were thrilled, and they made sure to compliment the crew's hard work. If you're looking for craftsmanship that lasts and landscaping that works with nature, not against it, reach out to the Northwest Garden. We'd love to bring your vision to life.